welcome to all my crafty friends. How are you all doing? I hope you all are enjoying this festive season. Well, if we talk about the festives, then I have this amazing recent collection from Graphic 45, which is named as Letters to Santa. So this collection has two designs. One is this pattern paper and another one is solids. So I'll just give you a walkthrough of it. How beautiful and amazing collections these are. Like, the details are amazing. You can do wonders out of it. There are so many things which you can do with those papers. Now these are sticker sheets, which is again very useful, especially if you are doing a album. Now these are some of the prints and solids. Those who do not know me, I am Sabaa and I am a brand ambassador of Graphic 45. Now for today's work, we are going to work in this album in a box. So this is a ready-made album base. These all the pages are ready and you just need to decorate it using your creativity. Now the base and is complete with the spine. You just have to add it to the base. And that's how the cover page is there in a form of a box. Now let's start working on it. To start and to save the time, I have already prepared the inside part, and the cover part we are going to work later on. Because I have made it in a suitcase shape, so I will be teaching you how to do that. Now adding the pattern papers and decorating your pages is totally upon your creativity. I have added these paper laces all around. Like, I love Graphic 45 because of this, because every collection has such an amazing paper designs that you do not need any other embellishment. If you know how to use those papers, it is enough for making your any project. So that is the beauty of Graphic 45. Now see here at the back side, I have used some mirror cardstock at the base to give those glittery effect, and I have added my papers here. Now I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the pages, how I made it. I have also used some sticker sheets as well to decorate the pockets and some of the areas. These are the Graphic 45 ephemeras, which is Letters to Santa ephemeras, and I have used it here in the pockets. Now that is my first page, and it has pockets here vertically and horizontally. Same way I have decorated my pocket, and also I have used this paper laces which I was talking about. This is amazing. You just try adding these laces to the edges of any of your pockets or the pages, and it will be enough to decorate your pages actually. Now let's have a look of other pages. Now this is a plain page and I have just added a lace. Here I have attached a flap and decorated it with paper lace. Again, if you could see, I have used lots and lots of ephemeras and the laces because that was enough to decorate all my pages. Now this was the cutout of Santa, which I fussy cut out. I have added on a mirror cardstock to give that glittery effect, and then again I fussy cut it out to give the edges of those golden mirror cardstock. If you add any element on any cardstock, it actually pops it out. And this is how the mirror cardstock looks if someone doesn't know it, but it is not necessary. You can use even a plain contrasting cardstock as well. Now this Santa element, I have made it as a tuck-in pocket, so I have applied glue only at the base, and that's how it will hold my tags. Now once you complete decorating your entire album, it is a time to add this spine to the base. For this, I will apply a good amount of a glue here and I'll spread it with the help of my fingers. making it little dry, it helps to stick it properly. So I always try to follow this step. Now very carefully I will align it and I will paste it here at the base. Now once it will dry, I will hide this joint using the paper laces. And that's how my inside part is completely ready. Now let's start working on the top side of our album. So these are the pattern papers. You can follow the sizes here showing on the screen. So first of all, I will cover all the sides. Now I covered my box with pattern paper from all around. Now if you could see here, it is a magnetic flap. So if I'll add more layers of paper, it might get difficult to stick. So because of that, I will not add the pattern paper to the inside part. Now I have taken this natural linen ink pad from Graphic 45 and I will just distress all the corners of my box. Distressing is not very important step, but it actually improves the quality of your finished project. Now once it will done, I will take my another pattern paper, which should be a contrasting paper from the previous one. From this I cut out the strip of 1 inches. Now let's score it 1.5 inch and 5 by 8 of an inch. I will score and fold it from here and I will paste it now. So this way we'll get this strip, and this we are going to use on top of our suitcase. Now I am just de-stressing these strips. Now let's start pasting this from the back side of my box. So I will not cover the front side, I will start from the back side. The reason being, the opening flap is there at the front. So if I'll add the front side, it will be difficult to open the flap. So first of all, I will cover the back side. From the right and the left corner, I have left the space of 1 inch and then I've sticked my strips. And that's how my back side is complete. Now I will start pasting the strip at the front side. And this is how my box looks now. After completing this, it is a time to add handle. For this, I am taking a strip of 2 by 6 inches. Now again we'll score it at lengthwise. The measurements are mentioned on the screen, and once that will done, we will paste it. And that's how we will get the broader strap now to make a handle. So this strip was little bigger, it was not 6 inch, but the final pattern paper size you need is a 2 by 6 inches. Now once that is done, I'll just break the filament of the center part, so that's why I have just pressed the center so that it can curve easily. And now I will curve the edges of my handle. I just need to apply glue on the folded part, and that's how we'll paste it. Once it will completely dry, I will start decorating my suitcase now. And here I am using some pearls. It is available with Graphic 45. And this is how my suitcase album looks like. Now I will decorate my album as per my choice. I will add some laces, some elements, some ephemeras to the corner here on the top, making sure that I am not disturbing the flap. And this is how my finished suitcase album looks like. I hope you really like this tutorial and it is helpful for you. Do create and share with us. Till then, bye. Happy crafting.